Okay, we're going to harvest some magnets out of a magnetron. It's really easy. You take a screwdriver and you just want to, it's got these little tabs in here that holds that top plate on. Just want to give it a little twist. That comes off. Boom. Okay. This I put with my brass. This should just pop right up. Got a little sleeve that's like inside the magnet, and that's what's holding it in. I didn't go all the way in, so that I'm not scratching this at all. See? And then the magnet just pulls right off. Okay. Then the rest of this can be just pulled right up. It'll come free. It's only held in right here. Couple little copper pieces in there. Okay, now you got that. And if you want to, you can try to, man, it's time consuming. If you got nothing better to do, these plates will pry off, but in all intent and purposes, it's really not worth the time, because these are they're really light pieces of aluminum. So I throw that in with steel. That goes with, I'll throw that in with aluminum. The other magnet, boom. Now you got two magnets. It's not all that difficult. Now these wires here, I pull them up because this here is a pain in the butt to get off, but I'll do it. But normally what I do is I get in as far as I can with my clippers. Pull that off. Pull that off. Now got our copper wire out of it. And just for all intent purposes, I'll take this off just to show how little is being left behind. I mean, look. Sometimes that one came off fairly easy, but I mean, really, it's not it's just stretched out, and you pull out. You clip it as far as down as you can. This little bit's not going to do much, but that's my little how I harvest. I got them all over the place over here. I got some there, I got some down there, I got some over there. I keep one in my truck. I got one over there, I got one there. I think I got some over there. Yeah, they're up there in the corner. Right up above those clips. So they're my they hold all the screws, as you can see. Sometimes tools. So yeah, they're quite handy to have. But that's all it is. It's not rocket science. It's not all that dangerous. If you do it like that, I mean, if you're smashing at it with a hammer, then, you know, you need to think about what you're doing. Because that's not right. Alright, take care, be safe.